See the trees, watch the flowers in the breeze. Things won't be like this in a year or two if polluting is all we do. Seize the night, seize the day. Here comes the hibiscus day. Things won't be always this way. Thousands of people are dying. In the night you hear the children crying. Let's stop the war. Our people are sore. The world can't help itself. Who cares about your wealth? Help me to help you. Show the world what you can do. Share the hibiscus because they are cool.